Hey folks, like I said in my previous video about the heavy duty mayonnaise, I am going to make this, but it will look like this when I'm done. So I'm going to make the powdered version of the Hidden Valley Ranch restaurant style dressing mix. I have to say I like this. I like this. This is so much better than the ranch you buy in the bottle. You know, the already made stuff. That's horrible. Mainly because when you use this, you're using your own mayonnaise, your own buttermilk. It's just better. But I started thinking, you know, after reading the ingredients a number of times, that I could probably come up with something that was a little less than the amount of salt and MSG that's in this. So the ingredients for this is salt, MSG, garlic, modified cornstarch, spices. See, spices, they don't tell you what the spices are. They just say spices. Onion, maltodextrose, natural flavor, gargum, whatever. But like I said, this is still good. It's still better than the stuff you buy in the bottle. This, on the other hand, is a totally different animal or thing. I'm going to show you how to make this, and then I'm going to use it to make the ranch dressing. So, stick around, find out how to make this, and if it does make a decent dressing or dip or whatever you want to use it for. So, let's get going. Okay, here I have a half a cup of buttermilk powder. I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. And I got a quarter of a cup of dried parsley flakes, 4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 4 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of dried dill, 2 teaspoons dried chives, 2 teaspoons of fine sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 teaspoons of onion flakes, the dried minced onion. And then we're just going to give this a good mix. Get it all combined. And then I'm just going to funnel this all into a container. Then I can use it over time for, you know, whatever I want to make, whether it's dressing or dip or whatever. And there we go. That's going to yield 4 batches of dressing or dip. Let's go make some dressing. Here I have a cup of my extra heavy mayo and my homemade ranch mix. That's 3 tablespoons of the ranch mix is what you're going to need. And then a cup of buttermilk. And that's it. Then we're just going to give this a good whisk. Combine everything. Okay, there we go. Looks like ranch dressing to me. Let's give it a little taste. See if it needs any adjustments. Nope, it's perfect. I'm gonna refrigerate this for an hour and then give it a taste test. Okay, been in the refrigerator for an hour. It's definitely thickened up. And I wish I'd bought some veggies, some broccoli, carrots, and stuff to give this a shot, but I totally forgot it. going to use some tortilla chips. But it looks really good. Let's give it a taste. Gotta go in for another one of those. That is a really good ranch, I have to admit. I'm so glad I embarked on this little research project, because that is really good. This I've always liked, but now this is going to be my go-to for ranch dressing. And I picked up that the buttermilk, powdered buttermilk on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box for that link. It wasn't very expensive at all, but it's something really nice to have on hand. And I have to say, this will really be good with chicken wings. It will be good with anything. And if you want to make the actual the dip, like a potato chip dip, then you would add 3 tablespoons of this mix to 16 ounces of sour cream and mix that up really well. And then you've got the chip dip. So there you have it, folks. If you like this, but you want something that doesn't contain all of the MSG and the salt and all that stuff, the sodium, then go with this. Thanks for watching.